Assalamu alaikum. Dear learners, how are you? I hope you all are well. Okay, let's start our class today. In the previous class, we discussed connectors up to the group number 4, and we also discussed the definition of connectors. Can you remember the definition of connectors? Yes, look or try to remember. The words or phrases, which are used to maintain a link or connection between two or more than two clauses or sentences are called connectors. Today we will start our discussion with group number 5. Group number 5, the connectors of this group are used to indicate cause and effect inconsistent. That means the connectors of this group are used when the cause and effect are inconsistent. The connectors of this group are though, although, despite, sometimes despite that, in spite of, and nevertheless. These connectors are used to indicate cause and effect when they are inconsistent. For example, though the man is rich, he is unhappy. Usually we think that the rich are happy, or a rich man is usually happy. But in this sentence, the two clauses are inconsistent. Though the man is rich, he is unhappy. So we have used though, or we can also use although. Okay? But is also used. But is also used to indicate inconsistent cause and effect. For example, the man is rich but he is unhappy. The man is rich but he is unhappy. Look, in a sentence, when the cause is in the beginning and the effect is in the end of the sentence and they are inconsistent, in the beginning we can use though or although. And if the connector is used in the middle of the sentence, and when the cause is in the beginning and the effect is in the end and the gap is in the middle of the sentence, then we use but. For example, the man is rich but he is unhappy. And if the sentences are separate, we use in spite of, or nevertheless, or despite. For example, the man is rich, nevertheless he is unhappy. Or in some cases we also use yet. yet. For example, the man is rich, yet he is unhappy. The man is rich, yet he is unhappy. Okay, I hope you also have understood the use of inconsistent cause and effect. Okay. Next we will discuss group number 6. Group number 6. In this group, there are some important connectors which are used to indicate condition. The connectors of group number 6 are used to indicate condition. And the to indicate condition. The connectors of this group are if, in case, provided that, providing, that, and. Okay. Here one thing should be mentioned to indicate condition consistent. Consistent. Okay. When the condition and its result are consistent, these connectors are usually used. For example, if you work hard, you will make a brilliant result. Or if you work hard, you will succeed in life. Or if you work hard, you will prosper in life. Here, two clauses are consistent. Work hard, prosper in life. And when the gap is in the beginning of the sentence and the condition is in the first clause, we usually use if, or we can use in case, or we can use provided that, providing that. These all are same meaning. For example, if you work hard, you will prosper in life. In case you provided that, you will prosper in life. But when the gap is in the middle of the sentence, and the condition is in the beginning of the sentence and the result is in the end of the sentence, we use and. That means in the middle of the sentence of a condition, we use and if the condition and the result is consistent. For example, work hard and you will prosper in life. Work hard and you will prosper in life. I think you have understood the use of consistent condition. Then we will discuss the connectors which are used to indicate condition inconsistent. That means in this group we will discuss the connectors which are used to indicate inconsistent condition. And the connectors of this group are unless, or, unless, or. Look, work hard, you will fail in the exam. These two clauses are inconsistent. And if the gap is in the middle of the sentence, we will use or. For example, work hard or you will fail in the exam. when the gap is in the beginning of the sentence, when the gap is in the beginning of the sentence and two clauses are inconsistent, we will usually use unless. We will use unless. For example, dash you work hard, you will fail in the exam. We will use unless. Unless you work hard, you will fail in the exam. I think all of you have understood. Then we will discuss the connectors of next group, group number 8, and these connectors are used to indicate to change the topic. The connectors of this group are used to change the topic. And the connectors of this group are however, howsoever, by the by, anyway, okay. These connectors are used to change the topic. For example, we are discussing connectors today. If we leave it and discuss another topic, we can use however. And one common example of this group is when we write a letter. In the beginning of a personal letter, we exchange our greetings, and when we enter into the main topic, or when we start the main topic, we usually use however. For example, in the beginning of a letter, we usually write, how are you? I am well. I hope you are also well by the grace of Allah. This sentence ends our greetings, and when we start our main topic, however, in your last letter you wanted to know about my preparation for the test exam, and when we start the main topic, we use however. I hope you are all clear that when we use however or howsoever or by the way, anyway. That means when we will change a topic and go to another topic, we will use however, or we can also use howsoever. We can also use by the way, anyway. Okay, by the way, anyway, and also by the way can be by the way. Sorry, by the way is another is different meaning phrase. These phrases or words are usually used to change the topic. Okay. Then we will discuss group number 9. Group number 9. The connectors of this group are used to indicate similarity. To indicate similarity. Group number Group number 9. to indicate similarity. The connectors of this group are like, likewise, similarly, in the same way, in the same manner. Similarly, like, likewise, similarly, in the same way, in the same manner, and both dot dot and as dot dot as, so dot dot, okay, as dot dot as. Okay. These connectors are used to indicate similarity. For example, like his brother, he is brilliant, or like his father, he is tall. Another example, he has made a brilliant result. Similarly, all of his friends have made brilliant result. All of his friends have made a brilliant result. Similarly, we can use likewise. Likewise, all of his friends have made a brilliant result. We can also use and in the case of indicating similarity, or we can also use both dot dot and or as to indicate similarity. For example, he is brilliant and his brother is also brilliant, or both he and his brother are brilliant, or he is as brilliant as his brother. So all of these connectors are used to indicate similarity. Okay, I hope all of you have understood my lecture today. We will discuss the next groups of connectors in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Best of luck.